good morning, rise and shine. It's a brand new day, it's feeling fine. Stretch up high, touch the sky. Wave hello and say hi, hi. Brush, brush, brush my teeth. Up and down and nice and neat. Wash, wash, splash and play. Getting
So, sweetie,
clean
which
to
outfit
start
today?
my day.
You know, Mommy,
Yummy
pink is my
breakfast,
best
choo,
color.
choo, choo.
Yay, pink!
Milk and bread for me and you. Dress up quick, off we go. Ready for the day. Let's go, go, go.
Wow, look at that big slide.
I can't wait to try it!
Let's line up.
Me first! Me first!
Okay, you can go first, Glory.
Yay, let's go! This will be fun! I don't want to wait.
But we're taking turns.
Sometimes waiting feels hard,
Very hard!
but being patient helps everyone have a fair turn.
Your turn now, Glory! Really? Yep.
Did you have fun today?
Yes!
What did you learn?
Today, I learned that being patient is important.
Being patient is important.
Yes, being patient is important.
Being patient is important. Being patient is important.
What are we learning next time? Maybe something about telling the truth.
Gas!
Subscribe!